Hi guys, I'm Jesse at Strobepro.com, and today I'm showing you the newest addition to the Air Series stands. So currently we have the 7, the 9, and the 10-foot Air stands, and this is the new 13-foot. So kind of like it says, it just adds 3 more feet to our 10-foot stand. So basically you're getting one more section in this. So let me show you how to set this up and what this stand is all about. So the first thing we have to do to set up this stand, the main center column knob there, just loosen that guy off. That's going to allow this to slide down, and we want these to be horizontal, okay? So you don't want them down like that or anything. You don't want it up like that. You want to put it as horizontal as possible. So once you have it locked in, we're good to go. So like all our other stands, this stand has the reversible spigot as well. So if I unscrew the knob here, this spigot is going to come right out. You've got 1/4 inch and the 5/8 on the other side, so that's reversible. We can either go horizontally or vertically. And the other exclusive to Strobepro is we flatten down each side of the spigot to prevent any twisting. So it's a really handy feature. Doesn't seem like anything right now, but if you've been in the situation or you've got a light twisting on your stand, this prevents that. It can be a real lifesaver for you. So for lights, normally we're going to put that in vertically, and we're going to line it up, lock it in, we're good to go. So we've got 3 sections on here, which is a little bit different. Most of the other stands only have 2, but because this is a 13, we've got the extra one going up here. So to control these, really simple, just pick whatever one you're sending up, loosen it, bring it up, lock it in. So like the name says, this is a 13-foot Air, and where that comes from is the air dampening in this stand. So when we release the knob, you can see that coming down. We'll bring the other section down, and they automatically come down. I can't force that down. The air dampener prevents heavy loads from crashing down and wrecking your gear. I just wanted to give you a quick visual comparison of the different stands in the Air Series. So one of the things you're going to notice right away is obviously the height. So this is the 7, the 9, the 10, and then the 13 that we just reviewed here. So this is the lowest that they will go. The other big difference that you're going to see is the base width. So the bigger the stand, the larger the base is, which tends to make it more stable. So if you've got, like a big strobe, you're probably not going to want to put it on a 7 because it's got a little bit of a more narrow base. That would be kind of more well suited for one of these 3 guys, just depending how high that you want to go. One more thing I wanted to mention is we always recommend sandbagging your stands. It protects your investment for a very minimal cost. This is our deluxe sandbag. This one you can see you can add water bottles plus the sand in this one. I'll just show you real quick how to do that. You can check out our other sandbag videos to see more extensively. So what happens a lot of the time, you can't fit the sandbag through there. So what you need to do is lower that down. Then you're going to put your sandbag over top, just like that. And then you can bring back up to get horizontal, and we want to just make sure that's sitting flush against there, just like that. So we've got our legs horizontal, the bag is off the floor, so all the weight is down, and we've got this set up properly. The 13-foot Air is the latest stand in our Air Series. We've got the 7, the 9, the 10, and obviously this one here. You can find all the specs, including the minimum heights, maximum heights, and load capacities on the website. It's a great stand, the full metal construction, the air cushion. That's why they're so popular for us here. So check out all our stands at strobepro.com, and until next time, I'm Jesse.